Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a compilation of me vlogging the snowstorm that happened in Newfoundland and Labrador on the 17th of January. And I'm also going to be adding a few pictures from some of my friends to see their own side and how it was. I also added a link in the description to their social media handles so you could check them out and see some videos and more pictures. So this is also Newfoundland, zero visibility. And the snowstorm and state of emergency has been declared. So businesses are shut down. All government offices and everything is shut down. I don't know if you guys can see anything there, but that's my car and it's immersed. You can't even really see it because it's so windy and there's so much blizzard. So that's another angle. That's the car and it's immersed. You can see this, like the heater is on blast, but you could hardly like see even through the window. That's it. And that black spot there is my shovel and it's immersed. That's the house. You could hardly like see it, you know, but if you look closer, you see that those are cars there and they're immersed. Also, it's still blizzardy. This is like 12:30 a.m. You can see the car is almost submerged. Okay, you can even see the other houses down there. Little cars too. Let's see. They're kind of submerged. Wow. You could hear the sound of that wind. I'm actually filming from my window because the door is full of snow. Wow. This is something. I wonder where we'd have to put all this snow. There's no room. Wow. Front of my house is so full. Can you see that spot? All the way to the door. Imagine. Wow. Look at all that wind. It's reducing visibility. It's so bad.